AI engine result for BOM calculation using Python library. Book for your library. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. The image is a horizontal bar graph titled Level-2 Quantity by Assembly Name. Let's break down the details. 1. Title and context. The graph's title is Level-2 Quantity by Assembly Name, which suggests that it represents quantities related to different assembly names. The x-axis likely represents the quantity levels. 2. Assembly names and quantities. There are 8 assembly names represented on the graph. A1, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, A2, A3. Each assembly name has a corresponding colored bar on the graph. Let's look at the quantities associated with each assembly. A1, the longest blue bar, reaching approximately 1250 in quantity. B1, a yellow bar, reaching about 400 in quantity. B2, another yellow bar, extending up to around 750 in quantity. B3, yet another yellow bar, reaching approximately 950 in quantity. B4, a shorter pinkish red bar, representing only about 1100 in quantity. B5, another yellow bar, extending up to around 550 in quantity. A2, another long blue bar, reaching approximately 1500 in quantity. A3, a blue bar, extending up to about 900 in quantity. 3. X-axis. The x-axis represents the level 2 quantities and ranges from 0, leftmost, to 1400, rightmost. In summary, this graph visually displays the quantities associated with different assembly names at level 2. The varying bar lengths represent these quantities. AI engine result for BOM calculation using Python library. Book for your library. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect.